Hi, this is Chelsea with Crush Customs in Atlanta, Georgia. We're right outside of Atlanta at UpFix. I'm with Ernest. Ernest, you repair all kinds of computer modules and displays, factory repairs. I hear that this is one of your most popular repair services. So tell me what this is, what does it do, and what do you guys do to fix them? With all the problems with these, are you telling me I shouldn't buy a Mazda 3?
Well, I say if you have a Mazda 3 or Mazda 5, don't be scared if you're having transmission problems. Particularly on these vehicles, the main issue that goes bad is the TCM itself, this transmission computer module. And it may seem like physical symptoms like a hard shift or limp mode or no communication with the module, but it's actually the TCM itself, and it can be fixed. So you don't have to replace the entire transmission or the other issues that you have in your vehicle. I would first start with this unit itself because it's notorious known to fail. So definitely something to check out. If you know what goes wrong in a vehicle, you can actually potentially save yourself thousands of dollars. For example, if you know that the Mazda 3 and the Mazda 5 are notoriously known for the TCM failure, a seller would actually probably post it online saying, hey, I have transmission problems. They can save thousands of dollars. But if the savvy buyer knows that it's a TCM and you verify with a scan tool that those are exact codes of a TCM failure, you can buy a car for less than half of what they usually sell for online.
That's amazing to me.
Yeah.